Hello, good morning guys! Today we are going to make another model of clay bead bracelets. Here are the materials. I use some kinds of beads like this one, gold and white beads, and also star, smile, flower, eyes bead, and this one 8mm clay beads, and also 1mm satin strap, scissor, and mats. First of all, sharpen the end of the ropes with the mats. We do this so the beads are easy to fit into the rope. Then we start to fit in the beads one by one. First I put the white bead and followed by the gold one, and then clay beads, another gold bead, and I repeat this pattern twice. Next I put the star bead and the gold one as a spacer and the eyes bead. You can also replace the eyes bead using a letter bead to make your name, and followed by the same pattern as the beginning. After make sure the bracelet size is fit to your wrist. Now tie the end of the rope and then cut it. I put the last one white bead and then tie the end of the rope. Trim the end with matches. Now cut about 10 cm another satin strap. Then we will make a knot in the middle. I twisted the rope like this for about 5 or 6 times. Then insert the end of the rope into the hole. Now tighten the knot. At last, I trim the ends and then put another white or gold beads and tie. Okay, this is it. This kind of model bracelet is more adjustable than the previous one. Here are another model of this adjustable bracelet. So, are you interested in making them? I hope you enjoy watching this video and see ya!